This is not a test, this is an official broadcast of the United States government. If you are seeing this message, be close to a hiding spot. A monster from a video game gamers might refer to as ambush from doors. Here are 3 ways to detect if it is coming. If you feel the ground shaking, hide. If you see your light turn green, hide. Lastly, if you hear ambushes scream, hide. Also, we would never lie. And lastly, locations of where ambush is going are Delaware, California, Nevada, Kentucky, New York, New Mexico. Anyways, ambush should be gone by April 12, 2023. Thanks for listening, we wish you luck.